How to fix sign in to complete purchase on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First, go ahead and close the App Store completely. Just swipe up from the bottom of your screen and swipe the App Store away. Now, launch the Settings application on your device and then tap on your Apple ID banner. Next, tap on Media and Purchases, and if it says Sign In, then go ahead and tap it. Then select Sign In from the pop-up menu. Now, enter your Apple ID password when prompted and tap Sign In again. And if you're already signed in, try signing out and then back in just to refresh everything. To do that, tap on Media and Purchases and then choose Sign Out. After a few seconds, tap it and again and sign back in. Now go back to your home screen and open the App Store and try downloading the app again. When it asks you to sign in to complete purchase, enter your Apple ID password once more and tap on Done or Sign In on top right corner. And if you are still stuck, then you can try one more thing. Head back to Settings and tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen and then scroll down and tap Sign Out at the bottom. You will need to enter your Apple ID password to disable Find My iPhone once. That is done, sign back in with your Apple ID. This resets the connection and usually clears up any bugs with purchases or downloads. So, this is how you can fix sign in to complete purchase on iPhone error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.